Example 50. Draw the projections of a hexagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm and axis 60 mm long, such that it is resting on one of its base edges on VP. The axis of pyramid is making an angle of 45 degree or to the VP and is parallel to HP. So here again we are having a hexagonal pyramid of side 30 mm and axis 60 mm long, which is resting on VP again, but here the base edge is resting on VP. The base is directly not resting on VP, but the base edge is resting on the VP. This will mean that the hexagonal pyramid will be inclined to VP, and that angle of inclination is given as 45 degree, and the axis is parallel to HP. Now we will see how to imagine this. Now observe that the hexagonal pyramid is directly resting on the VP with its base, and one of the edge is perpendicular. So, but in the given question it is mentioned that the axis of this pyramid is inclined at 45 degree to the VP. So I will tilt this pyramid in such a way that the edge will rest on the VP, but the axis will be inclined at 45 degree. So now you observe that I am rotating it with respect to the VP. But here I need to make the edge rest on the VP. So so when you view this from the top, there will be two triangles which will be visible. So this is going to be your final top view. And in the front view, you will find some shape like this.
So as it is inclined to the vertical plane, first we will assume that it is resting on the vertical plane itself. So as we have already seen that when it is resting on the vertical plane, there will be a hexagon in the front view, something similar to like this. And I am drawing this with the 2H pencil. The reason being, this is just our assumption. This is not part of the
Question.
solution. Now with 2H pencil only, I will join all these points to get the hexagon first. Now this is your XY line. This is your axis line. This is 60 mm, and you can just join this. When we assume that it's resting on the vertical plane and the axis perpendicular, this will be a solution. But as given in the question, it is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to the VP. This top view will be tilted at an angle of 45 degree to the VP. So I am taking an angle of from here. -45 degree. This is your axis which is inclined at 45 degree, and this base is actually now 51 or 52, so I will take 52. this is 52. Now I have to align this drafter. That means the drafter is now, this scale is making an angle of 45 degree with the vertical plane. Now I have to take the 51 mm line, but before doing that, what is the half of 52? Okay, so 52, 52 half is 26. So I'll align 26 first with the middle line, then I will move this forward in this fashion to have 56 here, and with the XY line, align with the XY line. So now with the H pencil, if I draw this line here, this will mean that this base is now tilted to an angle of 45 degree with the VP. As the axis height is 60, I'll mark 60 here. Then I need to just join these points. And I'm just darkening this line because this is also one of the edges. Now with the 2H pencil, I will project these lines to get the front view. From here also. थोड़ा कट कर दो भैया, ये लाइन नहीं मैच हुई देखो, ये कहीं को लाइन नहीं मैच हुई होंगी भैया, इतना बड़ा डिफरेंस नहीं आता कभी भी। सेंटर आने के लिए हम बता रहे हैं भाई, टीचर ना I'm just projecting lines from the front view also. So for your reference, I'll just mark some points. ये भी इसका कट कर देना आजिम भाई, तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है, देखो बाद में से नहीं बोलना मेरे को। Now I will mark points here, anywhere 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be your 1 dash and 2 dash, 3 dash and 6 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. If this is center O, this apex will be O dash. Okay, I need to project from the center also and from this center also. Now first, if this is O dash, this is O, I'll mark the apex point here. Then 1 and 1 dash, there is 1 and 1 dash, they are meeting here. 2 and 2 dash, 3 and 3 dash, okay sorry, if I will mark here 4 dash, 5 dash, 3 dash, 6 dash, 1 dash and 2 dash, 4, 5. As only these sides will be visible, but this base is not visible from our view, from the front view. This portion will come in the hidden lines. But as this portion is visible, I am just darkening these lines. But this portion should and must be come in the hidden lines, as these base edges are not visible from the front view. Observe one more thing, that we need to join each and every point to the apex point. Hence this completes our front view also. For the dimensioning part, this angle is important, 45 degree, and the axis height, which is 60, and the base, which is 30. Hence our exercise number 50 is completed.